that's the Yard. The Yard is a restaurant that I like, and this is Cape Town. This is a museum that I wanted to go to today after I eat. This is Cape Town, you know. This is the city. Security is high, so you'll be fine. Uber just dropped me here from where I'm staying. So you enjoy that vibe. That was pretty quick. I'm pretty quick. I'm nearby places here. It's a beautiful place. I'm in the Yard, and there's some fashion ladies over there doing some fashion. This is Cape Town, South Africa, and it's a nice place. The world is about the haves and the have-nots. That's what the world is about nowadays. Get some more rice. I'm at the Yard in South Africa, Cape Town, and this was good. Good curry. Nice blend. Get some more rice to finish this off, and this is the Yard. I like this restaurant. Yeah. Food is fresh in South Africa, Cape Town. Especially seafood. Amazing. Probably have dinner tomorrow with friends. Yeah. Yeah, man. Cape Town, some blessings. having breakfast in the morning at the wharf, Victoria Wharf, you know. I've seen a lot in my African tour. Stayed with some families in all different aspects of life. Thank you. Currently out in Cape Town. Look at that. Last day in Africa. Okay. Check it out. Clifton Beach 4. Clifton is different. This is okay. Big stones. Okay, this water is pretty nice. This is pretty nice right here. Ah, cold still. Pretty damn cold. Whee! Refrigerated. This is good for these celebrations. Everybody is from Malawi or Zimbabwe,
Yeah.
but the South Africans are not working.
Yeah, imagine.
You guys, you'll do whatever you have to do,
Yeah,
but they are rebelling.
imagine.
So you have your family,
Yeah, we have to support it.
you do what you have to do.
Yeah,
How many years you been here?
10 years now.
10 years.
I think this, yeah.
And what
this
kind
is
of-
the 10th.
What kind of job you've had?
I've been driving the heavy duty trucks as well.
Trucks.
Yeah,
So you stopped there?
sorry.
You stopped driving trucks?
In fact, I wanted to try Uber, and yeah, but I feel this is more comfortable.
Yeah. More
Yeah,
flexible to go home?
yeah, you know. That's it. So hopefully I'll stick to this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Right. Where you from?
New York.
Oh, okay.
You don't see a lot of New Yorkers here?
Not so many.
What
But
about
yeah,
Jamaicans? No much Jamaicans here?
Not
Never.
really.
No,
but
no.
but I've driven. Yeah, quite a few Americans probably during the past summer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some of them I think live here.
Americans.
Yes.
Black Americans.
Yes.
You see where? What area?
They live in Greenpoint. I think there's a lady in Greenpoint.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They like it over there.
Yeah. They happy here. They say.
And they retired.
No, they're still young. Like that lady. Is
Yeah,
still
yeah?
Young. Yeah.
They're into music. What's their business? You know?
Not sure, but she is working.
Okay, she works here.
Yeah.
They need more Jamaicans here.
Do they?
I said they need more Jamaicans here.
I'm not sure. I haven't done my survey or
Yeah, we spice up the place.
yeah.
We are.
So are you Jamaican?
I'm from Jamaica. Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes.
That's great.
We spice up the place.
Yeah,
you know?
for sure. That's true, eh?
We need some restaurants.
Yeah.
The place is kind of bland, you know. Some music.
Yeah, the music, but especially the music.
yes.
Yeah.
We spice
Okay.
up the place. Yeah.
But this place,
Just the whole world. You know.
Yeah.
Everywhere
Oh,
we
yeah.
go, we make it alive.
that's true.
You know. Right now, Cape Town is.
Yeah, I think we short of Jamaicans here.
Yes. We will
Yeah.
help you with the revolutionary aspect. We will
Yeah.
get you liberated.
That's it.
We'll spice up your food and take your girlfriend from you.
You know? Such is life.
Such is life when you're
Yeah.
dealing with the Jamaican.
That's true.
But this is beautiful here. It is mighty beautiful here
Yeah, for sure.
in Africa. What would you change if you had to change anything here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would definitely help the poor
Yeah.
grow economically.
Mhm.
Yeah, so they can at least integrate with the whites.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would definitely try to erase the big differences.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a big poverty line.
Yeah, very big. The gap
Huge.
is so huge. Yeah.
It's like going to Haiti. Coming here is like Haiti.
Yeah.
You know Haiti.
Yes.
Coming here for vacation, going back to New York,
Yeah.
it's a lot of emotions. There's a lot of amazing Africa. There's a lot of. I'm leaving with a lot of. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
To travel. I must say this is one of my favorite places, the Yard. I like to eat here. I like the vibe, the energy, peaceful, clean. We should have built something like this in Jamaica. starters. Thank you, man. Love the yard. Yeah. Starters. My last meal. Again, I'm just playing. I make it home. Give thanks. Q, this is for you, bro. Q, this is for you. I love you guys, man. Love you guys, Q. And the family. This is for you, bro. Yes.
I don't know what my wife did when we wash it, then I missed that sleep.
It's good.
Then I'll give you a see.
Yes, this is Cape Town. This is Randy. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Oh, I better hold this before it slips. Very hot. Very fresh. Risotto from South Africa. I know you're probably saying I shouldn't be eating and talking at the same time. Just want you to know that I love you. Take care. So this ends my trip to South Africa. Leaving tonight, back to New York. Interesting trip. Very informative. Good contrast. Lovely. Interesting. I want to get back and work out, get back in shape. Would I live here? I'm way too radical to live here. I think that's what I have to say. Until next time. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Yeah, man, give thanks. Yeah, love. Right. Yep, this is it. The end of the trip. Africa. Water calms down.